Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Biology Adventures with Navya and Tanish. So we learned so much about plants, right? So after listening about plants, after learning about plants, Tanish become fan of the plants. Obviously, right? I think you all also become fan to the plants because they won't depend on any other living organisms. They prepare their own food. They are very hard workers and they'll give food for all the living organisms, all animals, birds. Not only food, it will give shelters, right? And it is useful for many other commercial purpose also. So after listening all that, Tanish asked me, they are great, right? So all plants are like this only, or is there any harmful plants also there? Not harmful, but nature always has some surprises, right? We'll see. Not all plants prepare their own food. You know, some plants steal food from other plants. Yes, correct. Do you know which plants? Example, cuscuta or something like dodder. These are the plants, okay? So these plants, it won't prepare their own food. It depends on other plants for food and it steals the food from that plants. So this type of process or nutrition, we call it as parasitic nutrition. So today we will learn about parasitic nutrition. So I told you, right, we learned in the last class about nutrition. Nutrition means what? The process of obtaining food and use it for growth, repairing, to being healthy, right? So in that nutrition, the scientists divided that modes of nutrition into two types. What is that? This we call auto and hetero. These are the two types of nutrition, right? Autotrophic means self, right? So prepare their own food like plants. Hetero means depends on others, okay? So in that mode of nutrition, so again, so there is another type, parasitic nutrition. So what is this parasitic nutrition? I'll tell you one simple example. So in your hair, you will see that small insects, lice, right? Everyone knows, right? So that lice, what it will do, it will depend on ours. It will suck our blood and live happily, right? That lice, we call it as a parasites. Clear? Even worms in your stomach, the tapeworms will present, right? So that tapeworms depends on us. It just live on in your body and around it will take the food from your body, right? So these are, we call it as parasites. Now clear? So when come to the plants, the cuscuta and dodder, so these plants, what it will do, just imagine this is a your mango tree. So okay, I'm drawing like this. Okay, mango tree. So what it will do, one day one new little plant came and it is wrapping around that plant like this. Me. Then this little plant said, I'm hungry. So I'm sitting on you. So if you are feeling hungry, you can prepare your food. But it said, because I don't have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. We all know, right? To prepare a food, plants must have chlorophyll. So it traps that sunlight energy and it is utilized for to prepare the food from water and carbon dioxide, right? So this cuscuta and dodder, so these type of plants, they have very little chlorophyll or they lack chlorophyll. So it can't prepare their own food. Okay, so it depends on other plants. It live on other plants. Simply it set on the plants and it steals the food. It takes the food from it. How? So it sends a thin thread-like structures into the stem. This dodder, cuscuta dodder plant, what it will do, okay, it just attach to that any plant, okay, which is healthy plant, then so it sends a teeny thread-like structures into them. Then through that, it takes the food from the stem. So like the this mango tree, that mango tree we call it as a host. Okay, so which is giving food and obviously shelter, right? And this cuscuta plant we call it as parasite. Clear? So from that host plant, this parasite, what it will do, it will takes food. The host plant keeps on prepare its food and the parasite keeps on taking food from that host plant. So this mode of nutrition we call it as parasitic nutrition. So what is parasitic nutrition? The living organisms depend on other living organisms for food. So we call it as parasitic nutrition. Clear? So not all plants are hard workers. Some are lazy plants also present. So that lazy plants, what it will do? It will steal the food from other plants. Okay. So after listening, Tanish become shocked. Even you also become shocked, right? But not only like that. Some helpers also there. That helper plants we will learn in our next class. Okay. Until then, keep curious like my Tanish and keep learning and keep shining. Thank you.